So this is an example of how to find surface area of a pyramid. Okay, so for instance, this pyramid has a square base measuring 10 inches on each side. It has 4 faces that are congruent isosceles triangles. The height of each triangle is 12 inches. Find the surface area of the pyramid. And then we have the illustration. So we have a square base. Square base means all the sides are the same length. And then I have 4 congruent isosceles triangles. And I know that the height is 12. So for the base, for a square or rectangle, I can do length times width, base times height. So I'm looking at this 10 times 10. And that base will be 100 inches squared. If I want to find the area of each triangle, there are 4 triangles. Each one is exactly the same. They each have a base of 10 and a height of 12. So if I do half of base times height, which is half of 10 times 12, then I want half of 120, which is 60 inches squared. That's one of the triangles. I have 4 of them. So really I need to do the 60 times the fact that there are 4 triangles. There are 4 triangles going around. So I could add 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60, or I can multiply 60 times 4. Either way, I'm going to get 240 inches squared, and I have to add that, the sum of those areas, to the area of the base, which is 100. So altogether, the total surface area is going to be 340 inches squared. Now try the practice problems on your own.